Welcome to the Recipe Project Tips. Your flour may be ruining your baking. Here's how to measure it properly. All right, never scoop your flour straight from the flour container. So I have it in here to simulate, a lot of people have canisters on the counter with their flour in it. I don't have room for that. But so you want to fluff up your flour and pour it in with a spoon. You never want to, if you scoop it out or pack it in, you'll get too much. So you overfill it, and then I always scrape it with the back of a knife here. So this should give me the exact amount I need, which is 1 cup for my recipe. So I'm gonna put this in my little bowl here. So that should give me 1 cup of flour. So save this for next time you want to bake.